I've had this network rack for about 2 years now. Actually, it's not a network rack, it's a hub rack because I do so many smart home things. I had to kind of organize all my hubs. It's not perfect, but it definitely cleans up the room a little bit. But I realized recently, even though I've had it for about 2 years, I've never had a UPS or uninterrupted power supply on this. So every time power fluctuate, things would reboot and I would have problems with my smart home. So recently I wanted to pick up probably the cheapest UPS possible to supply power to my hubs, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I also didn't want something that would sit outside the rack and sit on the floor and take up additional space, so it had to be rack mounted. And unfortunately, rack mounted UPS devices cost more than ones that sit on the floor. I don't know why. I guess it's just a form factor. So recently picked up this CyberPower. This is the smallest one that I could find, the most affordable one. It's 500 VA, only 300 watts, so it's not super powerful. When I unplug this, you can see here, it's only going to tell me it can run all my devices for just a few minutes on battery power. So it's not going to last that long, which I don't need it to last that long. I just need to get through little tiny drops, and if power just flickers, I don't want the whole network or all my routers and hubs to reset. So even though this is the smallest one, I was quite surprised how heavy this thing was. It was super easy to install, just like other rack mounted devices. You have a couple of screws that come with this and that you have to attach to the device on the side, and then you attach it with additional screws right there on the rack itself. And it does sit back quite a bit, a little bit more than my surge protector. I moved a couple of things that were in the surge protector that had splitters. I had way too many splitters, so now I can plug them right directly into the UPS. There's actually 4 AC ports for the battery backup and surge protector, and then 2 additional ones that are a little bit more spread out for bigger plugs that only for the surge. Overall, I'm happy with my purchase. I love the form factor that fits into my network rack. I don't love that I had to pay more for that design, but it is what it is. I guess the batteries and whatever else they have to do to make this form factor costs a little bit more. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.